everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to link to a page section in your website in Webflow. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you can access in Webflow. As you can see right here, I can see all the websites that I have created, and here I even have the option to go ahead and create a new website if I want. But for today's video guys, I'm going to go ahead and be using this website I already created called YouTube Tutorials. So let's go ahead and open up the website by clicking on it right here, and now this will open up the website in designer mode. As you can see, at the left and right side of the screen we have options to edit a website. At the left side of the screen we have the option to go ahead and add new elements and features to your website. With these options we even have our components option. To see our components, we have the settings options of the website and so on. And at the right side of the screen, we have the option to go ahead and style and edit those elements that we have to our page. We have the style option, we have the element settings, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look how to add a link to a page section. The first thing you have to do is go right here into the upper left corner, find this plus button that says add element. Go ahead guys and click on add elements, and now this will open up this new menu where you can add multiple elements such as sections, lists, and so on. What we want to do guys is go ahead and find the basic option. Right here under basic is the option called link block. We want to go ahead and click on link block. Click on link block guys, and now this will add a new link block to your website where you can go ahead and select what you want to link to. You can either link to a URL as you can see here, or you can link to another page. But the first option right here is to link to a page section. So you can click on link page section, and here you can select the section that you want to link to. As you can see, I currently do not have a page section, but if you have page sections, you will be able to go ahead and click the page section right here, and when people go ahead and click the link block right here, they will be linked to that section and transported there. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.